guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Today we're going to Lake Humantay. It's 4:30 a.m. I'm in Cusco. It's about a 3-hour bus drive. I'm about to go downstairs and meet up with the squad. It's go time, baby. Not how I wanted to start my morning.
You shouldn't have watched that much Netflix.
No, you promised me this.
You shouldn't have watched that much
Fuck
Netflix.
off. I'm gonna sit here.
You should not have watched that much.
It's my fucking seat. Get away.
It's not.
I wanna sit here. I'm fucking tired. I wanna sleep. Or I'm gonna sleep like this.
Sweet! After a long 3-hour shitty bus ride, we finally made it. How'd you like that bus ride?
That was the worst 3-hour bus ride in my life.
It was complete shit, man. So according to our guide, we're at 3,800 meters. Hopefully it's not a struggle to get up this thing. You think it's gonna be rough?
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking rough. My condition is fucking awful.
Yeah, so this mountain right here is Mountain Humantay, which is where we're heading. Right now we're just getting to our restaurant where we're about to have some breakfast before finishing up the rest of this hike. We're all fucking hungry too. So right now we're having a traditional Peruvian breakfast: bread, jam, and shitty pancakes. Nope, it's not happening. Go, you got it! Yeah, I guess I'm not good at blowing. Not bad though. He's pretty good. He's pretty good.
No. I said he was the one that. He's the blower. He can get the blower.
Good at blowjob.
Sweet. Now that we're all stuffed up on bread, we're about to get this hike started. Yo, check out this pretty sweet bathroom I'm about to take a shit in. There's no seat, bro. We were just given our handy dandy walking sticks, so I think we're ready to crush this. It's probably gonna be real if they gave us sticks.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Yeah. Look up. We're starting.
That's where we're
Finally.
heading. 2 kilometers up this mountain. Whew. Dude, I'm fucking dying already.
We're in 5 minutes and we're off.
Look, these guys are just waiting for us to fail. I might actually do the horse thing. I just would feel really bad for the horse. This mountain just keeps getting steeper and steeper. Yo, I think I'm so over this shit.
Fuck this shit, bro. Holy shit.
Alright guys, so right before we started this stupid ass hike, we bought some coca candy because it's supposed to help. According to Norway, it doesn't help. He's just struggling. It's actually making his breathing worse. So our guy just told us we have about 15 minutes more. I think he's full of shit.
It's gonna take us 2 more hours.
The only thing I'm looking forward to is this bottle of vodka we brought.
We're gonna down that.
We're trying to regain our composure right now, but check this view out, man.
Astonishing. It's fucking awesome.
All right, to keep it completely real with you guys though, I am talking a lot of shit, but I'm very blessed to be here.
Yeah. Dude. It's a privilege to be here. Like, not many people can do this shit. Yeah. We have the money to do it, so we have to do it, you know. We shouldn't complain that much.
Exactly. You know what, from now on, this video is gonna be positive, all right?
Yeah, positive vibes. Of course, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving this. I'm like, I'm like loving this. This is the best thing I ever did. Dude, this is better than drinking.
This is so much better than drinking.
Yeah, dude, like, fuck partying. I'm just gonna do hikes from
Yeah, we're
now
gonna
on,
do this
like
rest
6
of our
weeks in
lives.
a row, just only hikes.
Fuck. Yeah, dude.
This is so relaxing. Like my muscles, my lungs, they're getting like so much energy. It's empowering.
Look how steep that shit is. I can never be positive about that. Fuck that.
Later.
Yeah, 5 seconds later, dude.
Yeah.
Positivity's gone. We gotta creep over this mountain. All right, I'm taking a breather with the boys, but this is the hardest shit I've ever done. I really hope this lake is right over this hill.
I so hope it. Positive vibes.
Positive vibes, that's it. Yeah, this place definitely takes your breath away in many ways.
In every way.
In every way.
Overtaking the horses.
Oh, we passed the horses, yo.
We're fucking killing this.
We're killing it. Look, even the homies are tired. I don't know why we're taking a shot right now. But we're all about to take a shot.
3, 2, 1. Cheers.
All right, hold on. Here you go.
Why the fuck am I doing this?
Kill me.
Don't fall off the mountain, boys.
That's not.
They're trying to tell us this is water. You want some?
Hell no.
They said hell no. Hey, we're totally gonna regret this. But we had to take a shot with this view. All right, so we just made it over the hill, and there's no fucking lake.
Oh, kill me.
This was some false advertisement. All right, we fucking lied to you. There is a lake here. It's somewhere over here.
It's hidden. Dude, look.
Yeah, I think the lake is right over this.
Holy shit.
Let's film this shit.
Yo, my mind better be fucking blown right now.
We're here.
Oh, dude.
We fucking made it.
Wow, we didn't fucking die.
Close calls a couple times, right?
Okay, so.
All right, guys, we did spend a lot of time talking a lot of shit, but this was totally worth it.
Yeah, totally.
It's so
Look at the fucking view.
Just look at this thing.
This is a behind the scenes Instagram photo. And this is how you get your
take
perfect
thousands of
Instagram
pictures,
pictures.
bro. Thousands of pictures.
So we're at 850 pictures now. And, how's
And
it
we're
going,
still
Chris?
going, baby.
Yeah?
We're still going.
Still going? We're finding
We're
all the
only here
angles.
for the Instagram.
Damn.
It's amazing though.
Paid the money.
Yo, epic. Just fell in the water. Fuck. Hey, what do you guys think about this lake?
Pretty fucking sick.
What about you?
It's beautiful. It was worth the hike. Yeah.
I'll rename it to Instagram Lake.
Yeah.
Everybody's here for the Instagram.
Yeah, dude, like,
Feeling okay now.
All right, guys, so what better spot than to take a shot here in front of the Humantay Lake?
hell yeah.
We'll let him start it off.
Do it. Do it.
Cheers, guys.
Fuck that shit.
To be honest, I got no complaints right now.
No, I'm feeling fine.
And walking down shouldn't be so bad.
We're just gonna run down.
The hardest part is over.
We're gonna bomb it down.
Definitely rewarding. Highly recommend to anybody that visits Cusco. Moving over to another Instagram spot.
Hell yeah.
We're trying to be professional Instagrammers. Yo, I don't know what we're doing. This is sketchy, yo.
Almost there, guys.
All right, we changed the route.
Yeah.
We're not gonna die trying to take an Instagram photo, but yeah, we made it to the top and it's so rewarding.
Jesus Christ.
All right, guys, we took about 10,000 photos. I'll probably never look at any of them, but yeah, we're about to get the hell out of here now. Let them get in there and take some photos.
Finish the vodka.
All right, I need to do laundry anyway too, so I might just scooch the whole way down. All right, let's not die, guys. How refreshing was that?
It's good.
Fuck.
Oh, it's really good.
So supposedly you can completely drink this water. That's why no one's allowed in it.
That's why I'm
So
gonna
we're-
try it.
Hey, you're gonna try it. All right, he's gonna give it a taste.
And everything, bro. I'm definitely not gonna try and drink this shit.
Yeah, it tastes normally.
All right, we'll let you know if he gets the shits or not, but tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna give it a go, but to be honest, for this being such a huge tourist attraction, I'm very surprised on how clean it is. I mean, but this place is getting more and more popular, so you guys need to get here now.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Fucking awesome, bro. I'm happy we did this shit. Like, normally we only party and just stay at the hostel and be hangover and stuff, but we did this shit. We killed it. Fuck yeah.
Actually, we're the fastest ones out of our group. I don't know how, like. All right, so the vodka wasn't the best idea, but
Fuck it.
fuck it.
Fuck
Say that
it.
one more time.
Fuck that shit, bro. But it was good. It still was good.
That's what I'm saying. So fun fact, this lake is actually 20 meters deep.
I hear an avalanche.
Another avalanche.
Where is it?
Dude, it's a fucking big one.
We were also just informed that there is no life in this water. This water is just made up of nothing but minerals.
He just drank some.
Yeah, and this guy just drank some.
Fuck me.
Oh, that's good for you though.
So we were just informed that we get some lunch. I'm really excited to eat some more bread and jam.
Yeah, and some pancakes maybe, pancakes.
It's like the only thing they give you here to fucking eat, man. Oh man, dude, that was a great day. Hopefully this walk back doesn't kill us.
Yeah.
Check out this view one more time. I'm gonna keep bugging you guys, man. Like, I still can't believe I'm here, to be honest. It's pretty cool, man. We might even get lucky and make it back for happy hour. Yeah, me and Damien are trying to motivate everybody that's walking up because we know how bad it sucks.
Yeah, we're gonna try to help everyone and get some more energy in those people.
Yo, this lady just walked by us and we were like, oh, don't worry, you're almost there. And then me and him both turned around and we're like,
Oh no.
oh no, fuck no, she's not. And she heard us. I don't know if we motivated her or just made her time more miserable. Look how cool this conch shell is.
Get it?
That's sweet, yo. I gave it a shot earlier today, but I didn't execute at all. Man, I kind of need my back scratched like that. Horses are pretty cute though. All right, guys, we finally make it. Well, not yet, but we're pretty close to where we had breakfast this morning. We're about to have some lunch, hop in our van and head back to Cusco. We'll see you guys there.
Happy hour.
That's it, baby. All right, guys, so we just got out of that shitty bus ride once again. We just made it back to Cusco. We're about to head to this hostel because it's happy hour. Anyways, thanks for following that adventure. If you guys like the channel, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.
Hell yeah. Click the notification bell as well.
Totally.
Subscribe.